She's been whining like a little bitch since the Azores.
They're already gone. Stop following my fucking family, man.
Never gonna stop, bro. Homelander's orders. Only one way this ends.
Yeah, exactly. Right now it's you coming after me, then it'll be Noir coming after you. New Noir, because Homelander killed the first one, remember? That's how people end up around him.
You smug dick. Always thought you were better than me, didn't you?
Jesus.
What? It's true. Sending me 2,000 octopus fleshlights?
What, you think I'm a fucking joke? Suck my balls. You're the fucking joke. Look at you. On the run like a little bitch. And then I'm with Homelander.
You know, I can see it. Like how terrified you are of it.
Fuck you. I'm the Lord of the Seven Seas, baby. I'm all about that Sigma life. I ain't terrified of shit.
You're so scared of Homelander, you don't even see what it's done to you.
I'm not fucking scared.
Yeah, I said the same thing.
It's pathetic.
You're pathetic.
Sooner or later, I'm gonna get to your family.